Hello everybody, this is Terry from Get Living, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Joy Tutus SUV tent. If you love car camping and you want more space, this is a game changer. It's a dual use tent that connects directly to your tailgate of most SUVs, minivans, or CUVs. But it also can be quickly unhooked and used as a standalone tent. All of that is going to be in this little 30-pound bag. So let's get to it and see how easy it is to put this together. You got a couple of snaps together, so when you're putting it back together, help you cinch it. One zipper. Put those aside for now. These are going to be the down poles. Okay, first thing we want to do is make an X, and we're going to feed through the poles. And we're going to start with this one, and then we'll make this one the bottom pole. And then we'll feed this over top. And then you'll see once we get this up, it'll be fairly easy. And if we can get that in there, nice. And this is going to be the main structure of the roof. Two simple poles to put together. Now we have our X. And then after we have those ends fitted, I'm just going to tie this, put a nice little bow on it so we don't have to knot it. And look at that, the roof structure is done. Next for the support poles. They really do have thorough instructions on the site, but this is so easy. See these here? That's marked up. You're just going to get that, and it does have a smaller diameter hole. Get it, twist it. We're going to do that 4 times, and then the down holes are going to be fitted with these thicker poles. These are actually marked down, so not to be confused with the roof and upper section. Okay, once we have it like this, we're going to feed this last pole. That's the only size pole in the bag, and it goes through here and into our plastic pieces that are marked up and down, and of course we're going to put them in the up section. Super easy, this tent so far. Okay, you're going to have 2 straps, one bottom and one top. The bottom is going to go to your wheel, the top's going to go to your front handle on your car door. Her fingernails. All right, stepping inside, the first thing you notice is the height. With over 7 feet of center headroom, you can comfortably move around without crouching. There is plenty of room for an air mattress, gear, or the whole family. One of the best features is the massive screen room area. It gives you 30% more space to lounge, eat, or just enjoy the breeze. Over here, on chilly, rainy nights, they have a pass-through port that you can do your cords, or if you're running one of those propane tanks, and then you can run the heater inside and have the propane tank sitting out here. All right, finally, we're here getting ready to enjoy some coffee. The hardest thing about this tent of putting up, that part's easy. The screened in porch area was the most difficult, because you have to balance how much tension to put in and measure out for putting your stakes in, so you could have the awning
work functionally. But other than that, it was fairly easy to put up. It took a couple minutes. On our first time, I think we did good. So if you're ready to step up your SUV and car or minivan tent camping, this is the way to go. We're going to have the links below. Go ahead and check those out and like and subscribe. And if they have different models, so you can go ahead and go to the store and check it out. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you really soon.